This is a demonstration of the first version of the Consento mobile app. To get started with Consento, you need an Android phone and download the Expo app from the App Store. To start using Consento, you don't need to create an account or set up a password. After starting the app, you will be presented with your vaults immediately. In this first version, Consento will create a user secret that is stored on the device. Consento comes with a set of folders to give you an idea what data you could store with the app. The folders are not locked and you can access them. Notice that each folder has a unique ID, every device has its own vaults. You can create a new vault by tapping the hexagon. The default name can be edited as you like. The folders don't contain any data yet. To add data, tap the Add button. In this first release, the interaction with the vault is limited to taking a picture or creating a text file. Depending on user demand and feasibility, we will add different ways to interact with the vault in the future. Any text that you add will be strongly encrypted when you save it. You can add anything you like. We suggest you start with unimportant data to build up confidence. Once you are familiar with Consento, you can keep secrets safe, like master passwords or recovery keys. You can take pictures of documents like passports, contracts, medical documents or bank statements and store those images in a Consento folder. They will also be strongly encrypted and are only accessible through Consento. After uploading data, you will see everything you uploaded in the Files tab. The vault cannot be locked though without further setup. When you switch to the Logs tab, you will find that you don't have any relationships yet. We need another person to act as a lockee for the data to be locked. You can tap the Add button to create a new relation. For the next step, we prepared a second phone. You will also need 2 devices or do this with a friend. The camera will open and you are able to scan the QR code of the other device you want to connect to. This code is unique and works only once while this screen is open and a new relationship is confirmed. This can take a while, especially when you're using older phones. It is not necessary to enter a name for the relation. It works as it is. But to make it easier for you to remember the relation, you can add a name and generate an avatar. Now that we created a new relation, we can go back to the folder and add a lockee. It is possible to choose a lockee from the list of your relations. The relation you add as a lockee will be notified on their side. You will not be able to lock your vault until they accept your request. Once they accept to be a lockee, the lock button will be enabled. The secret to your vault is not stored on your device anymore. If you press lock or if you close the app, the vault will be locked. The next time you try to access the vault, it will send a time-limited request to all lockees assigned to the vault. You have to wait for their consent to unlock the vault. The log section inside the vault lists all the past activities related to this vault. Also, in the list of lockees, a lockee can be revoked or another one added.